How do weather conditions affect roof repairs? Well, it depends on where you live. So in Texas where we are, you don't want it to be extremely hot on a really steep roof without any shade. Because when that happens, when you're installing that roof, you can tear that roof surface up by walking on it if you don't have the proper equipment and roof sponges, because that asphalt heats up so much that those granules will start peeling off in extreme heat temperatures, okay? The second thing is you also don't want it too cold, because when it gets cold, those shingles will get brittle and they don't lay right when you put them on the roof, and they get what they call fish mouth, which makes the roof look really wavy. And then as it does heat up, some of those areas won't lay down. Then you're gonna have to come out and break that roof system apart and put a new shingle in there, which is never good for the system. Once you put it up there, you wanna kind of leave it alone as much as you can undisturbed. So I tell everybody, anywhere below 100 degrees and anything above 50 degrees, you're gonna be in pretty good shape as far as an install on your property. We don't install anything that is 30% or greater as far as rain chances. And then obviously if any severe weather's coming, so hail, wind, tornadoes, hurricanes, if those are in the forecast at all, you don't want anything happening to your property, because it becomes a liability. It's not worth getting in a rush, putting on a roof system, and then creating a problem that you didn't even have before you started. So I tell everybody, make sure your roofer's not coming out unless it's 30% or less rain chance. No severe weather threats in the forecast. Make sure the temperature's above 50 degrees and below 100 degrees. If you do all those things, the rest should be a great install for you. Hey guys, this is Andrew Dumas. This is SWAT Life.